Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Expedia affiliate program. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, we need to come on over to the affiliate site of Expedia. So we can come here by opening up a web page, go on to creator.expediagroup.com/affiliates. Now once we're here, click on the Join Now button. Now on the next page here, we can sign in or create an account to the Expedia Group Creator Hub. And then on the next page, go ahead and choose a strong password and click continue. And then that's going to go ahead and create that account. Now what happened to me, I tried to create my password, but it wouldn't let me. So I clicked on forgot your password. So I clicked onto that. And then I've just sent a password to my email because it just didn't let me create my password. So I'm going to use this 6-digit code to create that account, I guess. So I'm gonna click keep me signing, click continue. So you might be able to use your password or whatever, but if you don't, just go ahead and reset the password like what I've done. Then go ahead and choose a password. Okay, on the next page, click on continue. Now we need to complete our user profile. So we need to go ahead and put in our information here. All right, so once you've done that, it's gonna say here, add your platform. So select the platforms you'll use to promote your travel account. So I'm gonna use YouTube. And now I'm going to put in my YouTube URL. So I'm just going to search for my name. I've forgotten what it was. I think it's at Tutorial Wiz. All right, so that's it there. So I'm just going to use my social media. So at, and then I want to get rid of everything in front of the at. And then click continue. We can add more as well. So click continue. Now add your business info. So name of your business or suite, street address, your country, and then you need to acknowledge these as well. Now on the next page, we need to sit tight while they're going to review our application. It should take only a few minutes, but I have heard it could take up to a day depending on their system and how busy they are. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished. Also, let me know in the comments below how long it did take you so other people have a rough idea how long this process might take. Also, you want to go ahead and delete that other file here. So make sure you got no other files but the site you want to upload. So you can see here's my site and I've deleted any other files inside of here. So go ahead and delete. So to delete, click on that, click on delete any other old files. Now, if you see this, once you do successfully upload your site here, a 403 forbidden error, that means your site isn't currently set up. And now this is completely normal if you've just created your new site. So basically what's happening, your domain hosting account file permissions are still propagating and syncing on their servers. Even if your index.html is correct, the server might not allow access yet. So what I suggest is wait usually a little bit longer. So usually 10 to 30 minutes up to an hour. Then from there, basically go ahead and test it. So go ahead, probably make a coffee, come back later and then refresh the page and it should be showing your site. Okay, so I finally got approved to the Creator Hub. So it's taken me, it is Friday today, so I did this on Monday. So basically 4 or 5 days, that's how long you could wait to become an affiliate for Expedia. Now, once we're approved, we're going to come over to the dashboard here. So this is where it's going to say, welcome to the Creator Hub. If we scroll down here, we're going to see some quick stats of our performance summary. So you'll be able to track all your clicks, bookings, commission inside of here. We can filter by the date here. We can also filter by the clicks, bookings, and commission. And if we click here, we can explore your overall performance. Now on the left hand side, we've got some more tabs here we can check out. So if we click on the performance tab, now on the performance tab here, this is your analytics for your affiliate links. So your clicks, your bookings, your revenue, your conversion rates, performance over time. The link history tab here is a record of every affiliate link you've created. You can quickly copy or reuse old links inside of here, and the payouts tab is going to show you your commissions, earnings, payment status, payment history, and tax payment information. Now if we go ahead and look at these tools, so you got the travel shop here, so we can build a public storefront of travel recommendations. Now these can be hotels, destination, itineraries, etc., that people can browse and book through. Now if we go ahead and have a look at the creator toolbox, so this is the fastest way to create these affiliate links while browsing Expedia sites. It also lets you view your page stats and customize links. Now with the link builder tab, this is where we can manually create affiliate links for hotels, flights, packages, or any Expedia page by pasting a URL. Now we've got the link switcher. So now what this does, this automatically converts normal Expedia links on your website into affiliate links, so you don't have to replace them manually. Now, search widgets, this is going to be embedded search boxes and widgets for your website, so visitors can search Expedia directly from your pages. And lastly here, banners. So we can make ready-made promotional banners and creative assets you can place on your website or blog to encourage more bookings. Now, in order to create affiliate links, we'll probably want to go here and click on Creator Toolbox and click onto Open Creator Toolbox. Now, this is going to open up a new page. So a toolbar is going to appear across the top of Expedia while you browse. So I just signed back into my account. So I'm going to click on Continue here. Now you can see here we've got Get Link, and we've also can view stats here as well. Now you want to browse Expedia normally. When you find a hotel, flight, or destination, click on the Get Link, like so, and then we can paste this into YouTube descriptions, blog posts, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok bio. Now no extra setup is required. Now if we go ahead and look at the link builder here, so what we can do, instead of browsing, we can copy an Expedia URL and paste that here, and then click on create link, and that's Expedia is going to create a tracked affiliate link for that. Now this is useful if someone sends you a hotel URL or you already know the page you want to promote.